Hello there. If you are returning to the channel, welcome back. If this is your first time, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It helps us with content creation insofar as we know what you guys like and would prefer. This is going to be a really short video. Behind me, and I'm going to turn around the camera, this is my Euro model 2022 Triumph bobber that I recently acquired. And I'll do a review video of this at some future stage. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a review video of this particular motorcycle. But what I've decided to do is I like things to be subtly different. Not in your face, not so that people can see, and I started looking for accessories for this bike. The funny part is, the place with the most accessories available for this bike is a website from China called AliExpress, and I will link the items that I bought in the description below, because they are very affordable and actually quite smart and quite functional. So I'm just quickly going to show you today basically three things that's arrived so far. The first one is a replacement for the little oil cap here. Now the OEM one is a little plastic unit with an O-ring over there, and what we are replacing it with is really cool billet aluminium, and it comes with its own O-ring. Obviously installing this really simple. Get the O-ring covered with a little bit of oil so it won't leak, and attach. So that's number one. Number two, okay, so I was over eager and I already installed this, is this little foot that goes around the original OEM kickstand. That's quite small, and I found that it moves around a lot. So I bought this guy. When I looked at it on the picture, I thought it was rubber at the bottom, but it's not. The entire thing is cut from aluminium, and again, actually quite smart and actually quite cheap. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the box. What's in the box? So as I bought this bike, I immediately noticed something. Let me just get this out. Because this is a naked bike and you've got the very short little fenders over there and the very exposed radiator over here, and only this little plate over here protecting the catalytic converter, I'm concerned about rocks flying up from the wheel as you're driving, especially at high speed, and damaging that. So I ordered two things: a little belly pan for that, which we received already. That's this guy over here. Let me take it out quick, and this is what it looks like. Actually very smart, powder coated, reasonably thick steel. I was actually quite surprised how thick the steel is for what it weighs. This is how it came. This is the entire box and the entire content. Okay, what you do have is a QR code here that goes to nowhere and no mounting hardware. But when I quickly looked at the original elk, I see there's mounting hardware there, and I'm guessing we're going to be able to reuse that hardware. So let me get in there quickly, take it off, and see if it's going to fit. Right, so this is a standard 12mm socket. Interesting, this one's got a little bracket on it. Wonder what that is for. Oh, it's the bracket holding that on. Quite interesting, huh? And if you look at the bottom of this guy, you can see that it takes a punishment. So I'm probably right for doing that. And what I'll do is keep all of these OEM parts if we ever sell this motorcycle. Let's see if it fits. Wow, actually fits quite smart. It's actually very smart. I'm just going to go to the other side because obviously I need to get the bracket located again. Huh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, that was actually quite easy. We're going to use the German torque setting of good and tight. I get the sense that these bolts will strip reasonably easily, so I'm not going to over tighten it. What a result. That's actually so smart. Little cutout here for the water pipe, way more protection than what the original one gives. It goes down right below the bottom over here. Sufficient space for the oil pan to clear. I am super chuffed. Well guys, as I said, just a quick little short video to fit these 3 parts that I bought from China. Oh, the other thing worth mentioning, when I bought these things from the Chinese website, their promised delivery date was the 24th of May. These parts, these 3 things out of the 7 things that I ordered, arrived a full month early. So very happy about that. And the import duties were negligible, really. Can't complain about that either. I will link the stuff below. There's more to come. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Oh, one more thing. Life is too short to drive boring bikes.